you been struggling to achieve your fitness goals by yourself? Maybe it's time to try group training. Hello, and welcome to Saguaro. Combining group training sessions into your weekly workout routine can give you a structured foundation from which to build strength, tone your body, or lose weight. Above all, group training classes can become your best source of motivation. In our video today, we'll give you 5 of the best fitness channels for group training. Don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to see more of our videos for a healthy mind, body, and soul. Prepare to sweat it out and have some fun in the company of amazing fitness YouTubers. Here are the best YouTube fitness channels for group training. Coming in at number 5, HASFIT. Coach Kozak and Coach Claudia have always believed that everyone should be able to work out. That's why they created the HASFIT channel, which has more than 1,000 full-length at-home workouts, and everyone can access them all for free. 1,000 workouts seems like a lot, but HASFIT's channel breaks them up easily into playlists, such as beginner workouts, workouts by body parts, and even prenatal workouts. Many of the workouts require some equipment, such as dumbbells or resistance bands. They're also categorized according to workouts that can be done at home and by those that should be done at the gym. Besides free workout routines, HASFIT also offers videos on meal plans and proper diets, as well as motivational topics to keep you moving forward. This channel accompanies a HASFIT website and a mobile app for people wanting to work out alongside their coaches. HASFIT is perfect for beginners or those who are looking for an accessible workout to mix up their normal routine. With 2 coaches guiding you, it would feel like you've just joined the best group for fitness training. And although it's virtual, it's still twice the fun as working out alone. Number 4, walk at home. If you're looking for equipment-free workouts that will get you moving without ever having to go outside, this is the channel to subscribe to. Leslie Sansone is the powerful force behind Walk at Home. She has created a channel based solely on walking workouts that you can do at your house. In each video, Leslie Sansone is accompanied by other fitness enthusiasts, and together they do the workout with you in real time. The more the merrier, and more encouragement you'll receive in this channel. From start to end, the workout video will keep you moving, while Leslie adds interval training from time to time, which you can complete without any equipment. Visit the collection of videos in this channel, and you will be greeted with playlists categorized based on the length of the workout, the length of the walk, some bonus workouts to burn more calories, and so much more. A lot of people are clearly captivated by the seemingly simple act of walking as a fitness routine because to date, the channel has earned a staggering 3.85 million subscribers. Coming in at number 3, the Fitness Marshal. After walking, let's get to dancing. If you'd rather be doing anything but working out, this is the channel to get obsessed about. Fitness guru Caleb Marshall combines pop music from musicians like Ariana Grande, Kelly Clarkson, and Justin Bieber to create dance routines that will surely make you sweat. Each video is 1 song long, so Caleb suggests creating your own playlist for your workout, composed of 2 warm-up videos, 8 main workout videos, and 1 cool-down video for a complete workout session. The channel already features a full workout playlist and a quick workout playlist for ease of use. If bringing sensational choreography to turn your workout into a dance party is right up your alley, then the Fitness Marshal will definitely sound like a total blast to you. Coming in at number 2, Popsugar Fitness. Bringing the group attitude right to your living room is the team of experts from Popsugar Fitness. Filmed in the fitness studio, the content in this channel will look and feel like old school 80s workout videos, but with twice the fun and excitement. The channel categorizes their videos into different playlists. There are workout videos for beginners, there are HIIT workouts, dance cardio, exercises that target specific body parts, and even boxing. There's also a section for no equipment cardio workouts. It's a great way to get your heart rate moving without leaving your house to head to the gym. This channel's diverse workouts meet the viewers exactly where they are in their fitness journeys. Popsugar Fitness also recruits other fitness experts and celebrity fitness instructors such as Hollywood celebrity trainers Jeanette Jenkins and Andrea Orbeck. With 5.9 million subscribers, Popsugar Fitness has clearly impressed fitness fanatics all over the world. That's Popsugar Fitness in the second spot on our list. Finally, we head to the top YouTube channel for group training, Fitness Blender. Offering hundreds of no-frills, no-fuss workouts that can truly get you moving, Fitness Blender is run by the husband and wife team of Daniel and Kelly. Their videos are filmed with a white background to keep away from distraction and so you can focus on the actual workouts. Fitness Blender offers 600 full-length workout videos and more than 150 of those are HIIT workouts. These workouts range from 5 minutes to 45 minutes. Whether you're on the go or you have plenty of time, there's always something to satisfy your fitness needs. Some of the workout videos may require basic equipment, but many can be done with your body weight alone. All exercises can also be performed easily from your own living room. Fitness Blender aims to improve people's quality of life through unbiased workouts, nutrition, and health advice. Daniel and Kelly prioritize trustworthy instruction and believe in their rallying cry, people before profit. This has clearly struck a chord with their viewers worldwide because to date, the channel has gained a whopping 6.6 million subscribers. And that's Fitness Blender, coming in at number 1 on our list of best fitness channels on YouTube for group training. Which channel has got you hyped up for group training? Let us know in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. Be sure to click that notification bell. And please, check out our other videos.